So we've lost a bit of the front outrigger, but the rest of it's pretty good. Already bent on this bit of steel section to replace this chunk because there's holes there. So we need to put some crush tubes in there. Washer. Clean up the chassis. We need to do a repair to the outrigger there. Probably replace it. Maybe not. Let's get the chassis cleaned up first. And we know what we're dealing with. Okay, so this is okay, as I thought. We wouldn't necessarily need to cut out all of this, but I think it will be better because then I'm only going to make one join in the chassis round. So we'll get the grinder out and get this all properly cleaned up, and then repair the outrigger first and leave most of this in place. And then we can cut this off and replace it with the section. Well, I'm struggling to get the light and the camera and myself in the chassis, so I've gone and done a lot of cleanup off camera. I'm almost ready to start putting stuff back, though I have discovered some unexpected extra work, of course. So I'm not going to be able to show you, I don't think, but underneath this section here there's some small holes, probably because of water collecting in the box section there. Well, it's only steel, we can fix it. Okay, so we've got this bit of the outrigger repaired, so let's get the side rail repair done, and then it's going to be crawling underneath and repairing under this box section. so I've dipped off to the pillar drill to get those body mount holes done. Next I'm going to pop in this little offcut from the outrigger. I'm going to pop in there as a little gusset, and then we can get a tube in here and get it on the cab. Right, so the chassis is welded on. The chassis repair is welded on. I'm going to need to go and do more underneath when I get the car a bit higher in the air. This hole doesn't line up, but it looks very much like the one in the outrigger. It is in the right place. And I must have mismeasured, misdrilled, whatever. Even if these are slightly wrong, there is quite a lot of adjustment available in the body mounts, or rather there's a large hole you've got to hit in the body mounts on the bulkhead, and the bulkhead position is not adjustable because this bolt, or these bolts here, are the ones that fix its forward and backward position. So long as we can get it on, we're fine. But yeah, we're going to have to take out some fuel and brake lines before going welding them here. Yeah. So this is where the problems are. But the rest of it's okay. So I'm going to go and repair that, and I'm not going to attempt to film it because I don't think I'll get a camera and a welder under here. But yeah. And of course, there's more. But the rest, again, seems to be localised. So, fingers crossed. Well, I've had to cut quite a hole in the chassis, and there's a lot of stuff come out. We just have to make a bigger patch. Well, on that super fun note, I just say thank you for watching, and we'll be getting on dealing with this in the next thing.